Uber Eats gift card, how to use Uber Eats code online. So if you want to use your Uber Eats code online from the app, there are two ways to redeem the code. First, you open the Uber Eats app and you come to your account icon from the bottom right. You go to the wallet option from here and you go to add payment method, and here you can simply select gift card as a payment method, enter the gift code and tap on the save option, and next time when you place an order, depending upon how much value the card have, it will be applied for your next order. Or what you can also do is apply them during your order checkout process. So let's say you've added some items to your cart, and then you basically go to the checkout button right here from view cart option. We'll tap on continue, and then we'll go to payment options. Under payment options, again we will tap on add payment method. Here we can select gift card as a payment method, enter our gift card code and tap on save, and again depending upon the value of the gift card, it will be successfully used to redeem for this product. This way you'll be able to use Uber Eats code or gift card code specifically. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.